On my free time, I decided to look at this indicator by Luxalgo called Pure Price Action ICT tools, guys. And I'm telling you guys, in the process of actually looking at it and analyzing it and seeing how it is working, I saw there is something traders really have to pay attention to. So guys, I want you to watch this video till the end as I show you what you're supposed to pay attention to. Failure to these guys, you're going to lose money. It is a pure price action ICT tools, and basically, as you can see on my chart right here, you can basically see we have break of structure, market structure shift, change of character, we have liquidity void, we have order blocks. There is a lot this indicator shows. I've explained everything. So guys, in this video I would love to actually point out something. If you actually go against it, you're going to lose money. You know, many traders really know when you have a bullish change of character, or rather a bullish break of structure or a bearish break of structure, some people think that is a guarantee you're going to sell or buy. But I want to tell you today that does not guarantee you that you're going to make money. So why? Right here we have a bullish market structure shift, or rather what we call a change of character, a bullish one. But basically guys, if you think of taking your buy order right here, you can see the market goes against you. Right here as well, we have what we call break of structure. It's a bullish one, and most traders will think of executing their buy order, but unfortunately the market reverses. So those are kind of questions you should ask yourself, simply because guys, if you don't pay attention on these things that I want to put across right here, despite of this indicator working accordingly, you can really lose your money. Right here again, we got a break of structure, and I know most traders will think of executing their buy order, but unfortunately the market reverses. Remember, you have no one to ask, guys, and so that's why I want you to stick here till the end so that we can solve these kind of problems when they occur. Imagine executing your buy order right here and the market goes against you right from this level up to this level over here. And so guys, you have to know this is 1 hour time frame, so this is a very great push, and don't joke with it. You can really lose money. So guys, I know you can ask yourself how you can add this indicator. You're just going to click on indicators tab on tradingview.com. So guys, you're going to search for pure price action ICT tools by Luxalgo. Guys, you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to appear like this right on your chart. You can go directly on settings to ensure that market structure is actually activated, okay? And that's why you have to make sure here that your detection is under intermediate, and basically the market structure is as well enabled. If you disable it, guys, you're not going to see them on your chart. You have seen they have disappeared, but make sure guys you have enabled them so that you'll be able to see all this. So guys, that's what you're supposed to keep in mind anytime that you want to execute your trades using these pure price action ICT tools by Luxalgo. Okay, so guys, I want to start right here whereby we got a market structure shift, and I'm so much worried simply because right here you got a break of structure that shows you a continuation to the downside. Then you get a change of market structure, a bullish one. You think of executing your buy order, and so guys, the market goes against you. What you're supposed to know is that smart money understand what is basically going to happen on your lower highs, because it's a lower high, and basically they will try to do something we call manipulation, or rather inducement. Inducement is what we call cheating, okay? And so what you're supposed to do as a trader, keep that in mind, and as well, if it is possible, just try to extend this line right here that shows you the market structure shift. What you're going to pay attention to is that you have to understand smart money will basically try to cheat you in one or the other, and the secret here is not executing your trades directly. If you actually see this buying candlestick pattern and try executing your buy order, you're going to lose big. Wait for a candlestick pattern to close, and if they have to close, they have to close above your change of character, which is bullish one, or your bullish market structure shift. If, like for instance, they happen to close above these ones, you're going to execute your buy order. But in this case, guys, you were cheated by this candlestick pattern, which actually rejected, or rather reacted to it. It closed actually below the line right here that is showing you the market structure shifts, and basically the second one closed above. A bearish candlestick pattern closed below, and basically you can see there was M formation right here, but basically you can see this M was a bit lower than these ones, and then you got a break of structure right here again that have not been shown, and we got another one right here. So that can guarantee you a push to the downside. Okay, it is good to keep that in mind anytime that you want to execute your trades. Understand you have something we call inducement. Number two, you have to wait for a candlestick pattern and where they are closing it. So ensure you draw these lines, or rather extend them, so that you will have a clearer picture of what is basically going to happen. Another one we have right here, a break of structure, a bullish one, which shows continuation, basically because we have a very successful bullish market structure shift. Then we go to a break of structure showing continuation to the upside, but this failed, guys. You can see price was unable to break to the upside, but later on, guys, price really headed to the downside. A secret again is waiting to see where candlestick closing. And so for instance right here, you could see this candlestick pattern that had guaranteed you a push to the downside. It was later on rejected and price closed below it. Okay, you understand? And so here there was not much that took place. You're supposed to extend this line over here, so we're going to use the red line in this case, which is our order block. Then when price broke below this, you can basically know the indicator is cheating, and you continue executing your sell order. So that's a secret you're supposed to follow anytime you want to execute your trades. Understand there will be manipulation, inducement, there will be a lot of false things, and what you're supposed to wait and do is paying attention on candlestick closure and actually extending the line and seeing where they are basically closing it. Again, here on live market, that is what I want to put across. Then we end this video so that we can come up with a strategy of using when trading this indicator. You got a bullish break of structure because we had a successful bullish change of character, but the continuation to the upside did not happen. We had a false break of structure. And so guys, this candlestick pattern made you be told that you're going to have this break of structure, but we got a liquidity void. But I told you, for this liquidity void to be valid as well, candlestick has to close above the liquidity void for it to be a successful buy. But unfortunately, price rose, but later on price broke above bullish break of structure, and price is basically heading to the downside. And this is what we have right on our live market right here. That is something I felt like putting across before L break lows, simply because when you follow this most of the times, you're going to lose money. So it's very, very important you pay attention on what is happening and how you can use it to execute your trades. Okay, so guys, let me hope this video added some value to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, turn on the notification bell because a lot is coming in this channel. Okay, and so guys, I will leave at this point and basically ensure you watch the previous video that I actually explained each and every feature of this indicator. I know you have seen this liquidity void, but you're supposed to ask yourself, what is a liquidity void? In that video I have explained everything. Okay, so guys, bye bye. I'll definitely see you in my next video.